This short video will cover installing MinGW 64 for building projects in C and C++. First, go to mingw64.org. Then click the Downloads button. Scrolling down, you'll find the MinGW 64 builds. Click this link and follow the next link to SourceForge. Your download will begin automatically after a few seconds. Execute the downloaded installer and allow it to make changes to your computer. When the installer starts, press Next. On the settings screen, select the Architecture drop-down box and choose x86-64, and select the Threads drop-down box and choose Win32. MinGW does not work well dealing with paths that contain spaces, such as the one in program files. This directory needs to be changed, and it is advised to install to c:\\mingw or similar so that the path will be clean. Clicking Next will begin the installation. This will take a moment and has been sped up slightly for the video. Once the installation has completed, you will need to add the MinGW tools to your system's path variable. To do this, press the Windows key and begin typing the word environment, and select the Edit option. Select the Environment Variables button toward the bottom of the dialog box that pops up. In the bottom panel of the Environment Variables window, find Path. Select it and double-click to edit. Click the Browse button and navigate to the directory in which you installed MinGW and select the MinGW64/bin folder. Now that MinGW has been added to your path, test it out by opening a command prompt window and testing out GCC and G++. If they work, the installation has been successful. For help with setup or your assignments, please contact us. Thanks for watching.